to chat with you about Epson's new kitchen display system. Epson entering into this market, we really looked at kind of the pain points and tried to address what's going on in the market. Our understanding of kitchen displays was that they were very hard to configure, very hard to use. That was from the reseller's vantage point as well as from the end customers. We also understood they were very complex and very expensive. And so us looking at the market and trying to build upon addressing some of those needs, we came up with our kitchen display system. And off the bat, our kitchen display system is POS agnostic. We don't require any modifications to the existing POS system. So the onus is on us to understand the data format and to display it appropriately. We actually have a unique differentiator in that our controller actually has an integrated printer. So you have backup printing within the mix, and that's a unique market differentiator. Nobody else out there has got that. We have no recurring software licensing fees. Our solution has a KDS application and the hardware all from Epson, nothing off the shelf. So that's delivered directly from us. In addition to that, we have a really easy to use configuration utility that from the vantage point of not only the reseller but the end customer, because the feature set is very much focused on quick service restaurants. So we're not trying to serve the entire world, but very much focused on the needs of that particular segment. And so with that, I kind of want to go through the solution, really focus on our configuration utility that is very easy to use. What you're looking at in front of you is essentially our multi-station solution. We have two solutions, a multi-station as well as a direct connect. Direct connect is our single station solution, and just exactly what I'm saying. It has basically the integrated controller with printer that ties directly into the monitor as well as the bump bar. So it's complete self-standing as a single solution. For multi-station, we incorporate what is called expansion boxes, and that allows you to expand to up to 9 stations. We tested 9, and depending upon the number of stations you want in your multi-station configuration, you would have the additional number of boxes to incorporate. So single station, self-contained printer, and multi-station by way of expansion boxes, okay? So what you're looking at in front of you is a multi-station version. It's a 2-station. We have it configured where we have kitchen, and we also have expo here, okay? Now I have orders sitting on the screen, simple mechanics of efficiency showing the orders so that they are accurately prepared. When they're prepared in the kitchen, they get bumped from the kitchen. They show as highlighted on the expediter, and they get bumped at the expediter, signaling that the order is ready to be delivered to the actual end customer, okay? Now, what I wanted to focus on, I talked about being very simplistic and easy to configure, and that's really from the vantage point of the reseller and also from the use of the end customer, is the configuration utility. So with our configuration utility, we have a lot of flexibility. I can customize and tailor what is seen on each of the individual stations. That is from font size, font color, background, number of tiles displayed, because remember, perhaps if I am showing it from the kitchen, I want less numbers displayed as the expediter because I'm getting orders in and out. I have someone in the kitchen who has maybe poor eyesight. I want larger font. I want a different color font. I do have that flexibility to do it. Not only do I have the flexibility in changing the aesthetics of how the configuration of the station looks, but I also determine as to what I want displayed. I only want burgers displayed here. I only want fries displayed here. I want cold items. So I have that flexibility of designating what station I want to show exactly what. So complete flexibility in doing that, very easy to do. So I wanted to kind of hone in on the configuration utility here, and I'll try to expand that. I have the ability to actually turn printing off. When I send orders, I can actually turn printing off. I can print the order out or not. I have the flexibility of doing that right here. In addition to that, I talked about the number of displays that I have the ability to show. I have 1x6 shown here. I can change that to a different configuration. Change that to 2x6. I can make that change. The system updates it, and what you will see is that this screen here will change to a 2x6 configuration. Again, each one of the stations I can have configured differently. I don't have to have them all look the same way, I should say. But I can have them look differently, and I can also configure as to what exactly goes to the screen. So complete flexibility in how I lay this out. And that's one of the beauties of the solution. All of this comes with the solution, the configuration utility. Again, talking about, I think, the overall benefits of the solution: POS agnostic, no modifications needed, a unique market differentiator in having a printer controller all built into one, no recurring software configuration fees, a very much focused feature set on the targeted segment of quick service restaurants, and a configuration utility that allows you to do it very easily and simplistically. So for more information on our KDS solution, please visit epson.com/KDS. Thank you.